Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see one more topic in Selenium, that is about headless automation. So we already know the way to automate with the help of Chrome driver or Chrome WebDriver, or with the Firefox driver, or with the Edge driver, or for suppose if you want to work with Opera, you can use the WebDriver still into their browsers. So each company, they have their own style of implementation of WebDriver interface. So with the help of their drivers, we are going to use for performing the UI automation. So what's the concept of headless browser automation is? So here, with the help of the headless automation, so there is no need to launch the web UI. It means the user interface is not required to launch, and the test scripts which we have written for the web automation can be executed without launching the web page. Okay, so in this video we will see one technique to launch the website with the help of headless automation. So there are many ways to launch or use this headless automation. So one of the way is using the HTML Unit Webdriver. Okay, so first, here I have written some code to launch this web page. That is nothing but the zoopla.com. So this is the website. So once it is launched, you can see the title of this page like this, Zoopla. And then, so we are going to use HTML WebDriver to launch our website in headless mode. So first we need to add our HTML unit driver into our project, or either into Maven project with the help of the Maven dependencies. So first we go to the Maven repository. So here search as HTML unit driver. So here you can see this one as HTML unit driver. Just open this, and so you just need to copy the dependencies from here. So just copy this and paste it into your Selenium pom.xml in your project pom.xml. Okay, so in my case my project name is Selenium practice. So here I have the pom inside the folder. So I already copied it. Once you save this one, you can see the dependencies added with the HTML unit driver. So HTML jar is also available. If you are using a normal Java project, means you can download the jars from here. So here you can see this file straight. So click on this, it will download a jar into your downloads folder, and then with the help of the build path, you can upload your jars into your Selenium project. Okay, so here I have the code, and here, so once you run this code, you can able to get the title printed in your console. So with the help of driver.get title, so I am using system.out.println. So here this will print the code of the get title. This will print the get title of the website in your console. Okay, so the execution is started. We'll see. So now you can see this zoopla.com is opened in a browser and it is closed. You can see the title of the page is showing in our console, which is nothing but Zoopla search property to buy. The same title is showing here. Okay, so now we use this HTML unit driver. So for using this, first we need to comment this step. So I will just comment both the steps of system.get property, system.set property, and driver equals to new Chrome driver. So for that, first we need to use like this. So new HTML unit driver. So this is a type of class that implements this WebDriver interface, just like a Chrome driver. So this is also a way to perform the web automation, but in headless mode. Okay, so just hover over this HTML unit driver, and you need to import the packages relevant to this HTML unit driver into this project. Okay, so here if you click on this HTML unit driver import, so this will import the chars relevant to this HTML driver. Okay, so that's all. So only one step we need to add to make this code run in headless, and then if you notice, you can see this code unused and the HTML driver is shown in our Java class. Okay, so let's run this now and we'll see the output as the zoo plus h property to buy here in the console after running this in headless mode. So now once you start execution, so you won't see a user interface, you just get the title directly into your console. Now you can see the title is printed in our console, so there is no where this browser or Chrome driver or Chrome or Firefox Gecko driver or used. So it just used the headless automation mode and it opened the web page in the backend, and then it gives the title as Zoopla search property to buy rent house properties state agents. So like this we can use this headless automation when there are only limited amount of test cases and there is not required to perform any actions like double click, context click, any kind of actions that we are not required to perform on the web browser. And another thing is, so here we are just using HTML unit driver, so we can pass the parameters as with. There is one parameter called browser version, and here so it should be capital B, and if you place dot after this, and you can see the suggestions like Chrome, Edge, Firefox and Internet Explorer. So here if you are using without any parameters, it will run in the backend. Suppose if you are using any kind of this Chrome, Edge or Firefox, so this will perform on the backend of the relevant browser. Suppose if you are using this browser version .firefox, it in the background it will launch the Firefox relevant drivers, and then it will perform the execution in the headless mode. Okay, so let's execute this again. The main advantage of using this headless automation is it executes the test very fast, and so you can see this is displaying in the console. Okay, that's all about this session. I hope you like the video, and please